Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a clean and organized daily log system in Notion using one of Notion's free templates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple workspace where you can track your tasks, organize your notes, plan your day, and improve your productivity without feeling overwhelmed. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make in Notion is trying to build everything completely from scratch. That usually takes a lot of time and can feel confusing, especially if you're still learning the platform. Instead, we're going to use a ready-made template and customize it to match our workflow. To get started, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to the workspace where you want to create your daily log. Once you're inside your workspace, look toward the top left side of the screen where you'll find the Workspace menu and additional options. Open the menu and look for the option that allows you to browse templates. This will take you to the Notion Template Gallery, where you can explore different layouts made for productivity, project management, journaling, planning, and personal organization. Inside the template gallery, use the search bar and type Daily Log. You'll immediately see several templates appear with different designs and layouts. Some are very minimal, while others include detailed sections for goals, reflections, habits, schedules, and task management. Take a moment to preview a few templates and choose the one that feels the most comfortable for your workflow. If you're a beginner, a simpler layout is usually the better option because it's easier to customize and maintain over time. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then press the Add button. The template will automatically be imported into your workspace and ready to edit. Now comes the fun part, customization. Start by changing the title and adding basic information that you want to see every day. This could include the current date, a motivational quote, your daily priorities, or personal reminders. Next, create sections that fit your routine. For example, you can add a to-do list for tasks, a notes section for ideas, a goals section for priorities, or even a habit tracker to monitor your daily progress. You can also create areas for reflections, wins of the day, or upcoming plans. Another great feature in Notion is personalization. You can add emojis, icons, colors, headings, and dividers to make your workspace feel more organized and visually appealing. Small changes like these can make your daily log much more enjoyable to use consistently. As you continue using the system, you'll naturally discover what works best for your workflow. Don't worry about making everything perfect right away. The beauty of Notion is that you can always update and improve your setup later. A well-organized daily log can help you stay focused, reduce distractions, keep important notes in one place, and create a better routine overall. Even spending just a few minutes planning your day can make a huge difference in your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.